Let's learn daily routines. Alex loves school. He wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then he has a shower and gets dressed. At 6:30, he eats breakfast. He has a sandwich, a banana, and some milk. At 7 o'clock he leaves home and catches the bus. He arrives at school at 7:15 in the morning. He plays with his friends until classes start at 8 o'clock. He eats lunch with his friends at midday and starts classes again at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. School finishes at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He catches the bus and arrives home at 3:15. He watches TV for an hour after dinner. At 7:30 at night he brushes his teeth with his mum. At 8 p.m. he goes to bed.